Okay, so now I've got my glass out, okay, and I can freely go to town scraping my profiles, okay, and some of it's kind of already ready for me, okay. All right, so here's the technique we've all been waiting for, right? This is the Harbor Freight heat gun with a shroud on there that I use to direct the heat onto the profile like that. And I'll start there, and then once that heats up and I scrape it off, I'll hop to here, and then I'll go there, and it just pops off, and I'll just work my way down and take it off all the way down using this handy dandy Harbor Freight heat gun, okay, with this shroud. The shroud also comes from Harbor Freight and a little kit, heat gun kit, and in that kit comes the little itty bitty scraper here, okay. This is just a cheapy deepy, but you know, you don't need anything crazy special. You know, one of the things I'll do is I'll sharpen the edge of this. I'll file it to create a nice crisp corner, and that corner is what helps to scrape the paint off, okay, after it heats up. So I'll demonstrate all that. How's that? Pretty good? Okay, so this is that, you know, and I get my file, you know, and I'll just file these corners so that they're nice and flat and crisp and create a nice corner, and that's what I will you know, scrape with. So other thing I like to wear is my mask, especially when I'm creating paint fumes. It's all pretty much stripped, and then what I can do is take my sanding block here and kind of finish it off like that. Isn't that nice? And then I've got this groove here. I'll get my sanding block in that groove like that. And then I can take this last little shelf here, my sanding block on that, and that works really nice. Okay. Maybe I got a little bit more I can see. I gotta sand off that. Nice. Doesn't take too long. Nice. See? Pretty good. Ready to go. Just about, I mean, needs a little bit of tuning. It works pretty good. So here we go. I mean, that's what it looks like stripped with a heat gun. Okay, and you know, use that Harbor Freight heat gun right there. I think a couple of things I did end up using this guy here. You can see I've got the kind of the profile carved into it, and I did also use this guy to get in here and clean out these corners and stuff, you know. But after that, I mean, it was just this sanding block and this sandpaper. It got the job done. So now the next thing to do, you know, I have to go through and just maybe check it for details, you know, in these corners and stuff like that. This corner looks pretty good. Maybe this corner, maybe I need some detailing. But you know, primer on all of this, and then I can reset the glass in there. So that's how it's done. That's how I do it out in the field. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.